What's up, guys? Jake here, and I am so excited to tell you I got the 150K offer on the Amex Platinum.
There it is. Oh my God, I found it. Holy crap. Holy crap. I did it. Guys, I did it.
I know I've been a little bit of an Amex hater recently, but let me tell you, I couldn't really do without this card, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how I got the 150K offer at the end of this video in a watch me apply, okay? So stick around for that. This card is going to pair so well with my 90K offer on the Amex Gold. So I actually got both high offers, the highest of both offers, and I'll tell you exactly how I did it. But first, why am I getting this card? Well, I want Centurion Lounge access, and honestly, the Amex Gold and the Platinum are just such a fire combination. I gotta have both. I've literally been checking for that 150K offer for the last like 4 months in a bunch of different browsers, and I'll show you how I did it, but I've been seeing it show up all the time, and now that I'm finally able to apply for the card, it makes a lot of sense, and it makes me feel really good. So, guys, the credits, aren't they just the best thing ever? Well, the credits are not that bad, okay? I honestly was a little deterred by all these huge credits, especially because you got to use the credits to offset the $695 annual fee. But let me tell you, I think the airline incidental credit is going to be pretty easy since there's a lot of ways to liquidate this if you're not naturally, checking bags or getting up to $200 in incidentals. There's ways you can get around this. I also will instantly use the $200 Uber credit since I take Uber all the time every month, and I also use Uber Eats pretty frequently, so it makes a lot of sense. The digital entertainment credit is also something I'll use pretty frequently because there are lots of good things to watch on Peacock, so yeah, I like that. Plus, I might get the Wall Street Journal, keep up with what's going on in the news here. So some of the other credits I'm kind of not familiar with all the way. I know a lot of people like the fine hotels and resorts credit, but honestly, I haven't really, used it ever. So I'm probably going to try to figure out how to use that, as well as like the Walmart Plus credit. I don't really have a use case for that since I get my groceries from Trader Joe's because honestly, those are pretty good prices. You can't beat them. Even though Walmart is everyday low prices, I just don't see myself using Walmart Plus. Some other credits like the Clear credit, it's pretty nice. I'll end up using that, but it's not something I would have paid for naturally. And then like the Saks Fifth Ave and SoulCycle credit, I don't really know if I'm going to use those. I know I will use the Saks Fifth Ave credit just because why not? I mean, I might buy some like Versace underwear or something, but I don't really see myself going there anyway. But that's okay because I pretty much break even on half of these credits that I would have used for my normal spending. And then also that global entry TSA pre-check credit. I already have that, but my girlfriend doesn't, so I'm gonna get her global entry, and that includes TSA pre-check. So finally, I don't have to leave her in the line. I like to use the Ask Zebby calculator to figure all this out because honestly, it's kind of hard to add everything up. So if you go to this, link in the description, I'll link it down there. It's the Ask Zebby calculator for the Platinum. You can look up, how much are you going to spend in each category, as well as how much are you going to, spend for the credits. Then it shows you your year 1 and year 2 value, which I think is a really good way to gauge how much you're going to get out of this card. My year 2 value was pretty decent, but my year 1 value with that bonus was incredible, dude. It was so freaking good because I got the 150K offer on there. Well, that's the one I was considering, and I ended up getting it. Speaking of all these offers, let's figure out what they are and how it works. Well, first, there's 2 types. There's a public offer and a non-public offer, also known as the targeted offer. All right, so the public offer is 80,000 membership rewards points after you spend $8,000 in 6 months. At the recording of this video, the spending requirement is going to be the same between the public and the private, so just know that. 80,000 membership rewards points is not that good, to be honest. So let's figure out how to get some more out of this. Okay, so you can use specific techniques. I'll show you how to do it in a sec. To get the 100K offer, which is 100,000 membership rewards points. There's 125K and also the 150K. Sometimes there's some promotions running where they give you like a $200 credit statement also with one of these offers, which is pretty good, as well as like the Resi offer. I think you can get 10x back on dining for like 6 months, which can be good if you're going to spend something like $5,000 in the next 6 months on dining. I think you'll actually break even at 150,000 points. So if you spend more than $5,000 on dining in 6 months, maybe you should go with the Resi offer. But personally, I spend about $1,300 a month, which is just right at the threshold for that minimum spend requirement, average per month, since I got to hit $8,000 in 6 months. Luckily, if I get pretty close to this, I have a few other ways I can get myself right over the edge with maybe like a $500 extra spending on like sign-up bonus for a bank or something. I don't know. You know what I mean? But there is some really annoying things, and it has to do with the up to and the more than language. So the first thing is you'll see sometimes if you're gonna go ahead and apply for this card and you put in the offer link, you'll see that the language says up to 150,000 K points. Well, that's kind of misleading because it's not necessarily the 150K offer. Let me explain. Okay, so I don't know if there's a lot of data points out there yet, but this is like a new, some sort of like A/B testing marketing thing that American Express is trying to do to see if they could acquire customers without actually giving them the 150K offer, but maybe like baiting them to see that, maybe it's there if you try. But I saw someone in my comment section talk about it. They went for this offer and they said that as they were going to apply, it only showed 125,000 membership awards points on the side. So I don't know if that's not really 150K points. So I would try to avoid the up to 150K offer as well as the more than 80K offer. That's the more than 80K offer. I don't really have any data points for this, but there's no reason to go ahead and try to pursue this offer since you could easily get the 150K flat offer with little difficulty. So the way I personally found the 150K offer is by grabbing a referral link from someone. That could be anyone you know that has a platinum card. I would try to suggest using your friends or family first. You can use mine if you want to support the channel, but might as well support your friends and family first. Once you have that, you can go ahead and open a new incognito tab. So you can do that by pressing Control-Shift-N or Command-Shift-N, or just going ahead and click it in Chrome or something like that, and paste the link. Paste it right in there and you'll see it'll load the platinum card. So you may see some sort of random offer on there. It's not going to show the 150K offer right away, but personally, you're going to have to do this a few times, rinse and repeat. You open a new tab, paste the link in there, see what shows up. Open a new tab, paste the link in there, see what shows up. Keep doing that maybe like 10 times, maybe until you start to see a pattern. That's kind of what I've done. If you're struggling to get anything other than just a flat 80K offer, I would try to switch browsers. So if you're on a Mac, go ahead and try Safari or Chrome if you're already using Chrome. You can try all the different browsers. I have three. I have Brave, Chrome, and Safari. And personally, I found the best luck with Safari for some reason. So I did this by just continuously just pasting the URL in Safari until that 150K offer showed up. It looks exactly like this. This is the 150K offer. Don't get anything else other than this. It has that yellow banner and it says high points offer and it doesn't say up to 150K. I actually use Safari to find my 90K gold offer and my Amex Platinum 150K offer. So it's pretty good. But if you're not in a city, I've realized that IP addresses do matter. So what I mean by that is your location actually kind of matters with this. So if you're in a different area of the US, maybe somewhere that's more rural, you're not as likely to get the 150K offer or any elevated offer other than the public offer if you go ahead and try this method. I'm not sure why. I think Amex is targeting IP addresses from like internet service providers in bigger cities because they know that's most likely where their target market is and the people that are going to spend on these credits. When I was in upstate New York and Vermont, I was just casually trying the 150K offer Amex Platinum and I did not see it. It was continuously showing 80K and this was a couple months ago, so it might have changed. But I think if you want to try to use a VPN, you might be able to move your location to a bigger city or just go on a vacation to New York or LA or something like that. But if this is just not working for you, there's lots of other options. Another one you can do is the Resi offer. So I know you guys don't really want to get the Resi offer because it is just 100,000 membership awards points plus that 10x back on dining for 6 months. But if you're going to spend $5,000 in 6 months, that might be the move. I'm not going to lie. That might be the move. There's also tools like Card Match. I've never used this before, so I'm kind of going to skip over it. But you can get some good offers on Card Match, apparently. It's pretty nice. Well, guys, that is how you find the 150K offer. But let's talk about my data points because I'm about to apply right now in front of you and show you exactly what happened. So I have a 753 credit score. It's pretty good. It's not that bad. It'll do the job. I would recommend having at least a 690. That's just what the internet generally says. And I mean, you just got to believe everything you see on the internet, right? I'm also at 424. So this is going to put me at 524. I'm going to say goodbye to Chase for the next 12 months. Oh boy, isn't that going to be fun? And this is also my second American Express card ever. All right, let's go to the desk. All right, guys, so I have a Safari incognito browser right in front of me. This is what I'm going to use to try to find the 150K offer that specifically says 150K
elevated offer. Yellow banner, elevated offer, 150K. So let's go ahead and paste a link in and just get started. Okay, so here's the up to 150K offer. We don't want that. Let's see, second, there's another up to. Okay, here we go. So here's a high points offer. This one's 125K offer. I'm gonna keep this one up just in case I go for it. I don't know if I will though. I'm probably gonna get stuck in pop-up jail if I go for the 150K offer, but we're gonna go ahead and keep trying. Okay, another 125K, keep going. Oh, another 125. I actually was like looking around yesterday and I think I found, I'm pretty sure I saw the 150K offer with the yellow banner. So, I mean, I really hope I can get this. That would be really nice. Oh, looks like I'm only getting 125K now for some reason. All right, there's another up to offer. It's kind of unfortunate. That's not that good. Okay, now we're all the way back to just regular 80K. I actually don't know what's gonna happen here. It looks like I'm getting 150K now. There it is. Oh my God, I found it. Holy crap. Holy crap, I did it. Guys, I did it. That took not that long, but longer than I thought it was gonna take, but holy crap, dude. Should I go ahead and apply it? All right, I am going to go ahead and apply, and let me walk you through it. Holy frick. Okay, so let's see. What do you see here? We're going to go ahead. Looks like you can pick the card design options. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll go with the design. I got to think about that. I got to think now. Yeah, I can always change it over later. I kind of want to go rose gold. I'm not going to lie. I kind of want to go rose gold on the Amex gold and then get some cool design on here. I mean, the boring one, the classic ones are a little boring, but I'm still on the fence. We're going to go with classic platinum for now. Let's see. You got to fill out all this information here. That's pretty self-explanatory. And then you got to continue to terms. So let me just go ahead and do that really quick. All right, I'm gonna click continue to terms now. I filled out all that information, so let's do that, see what happens. Okay guys, this is really important. You wanna make sure, if you're at this part, you have to make sure that it says you're gonna get the 150K offer, because you don't wanna accidentally apply for the wrong offer. I haven't done that personally, but I've seen it happen. And it can happen because these are really similar. So right here it says 150K membership rewards points, so that's good. We're gonna be good with that. After you spend 8,000 in 6 months, okay, that's all standard. I filled out everything, okay. It looks like here's the expanded terms and conditions. So all I do is I have to hit agree and submit application. I am not in pop-up jail as of the recording of right now, but I might be in the next 5 seconds. Okay, this is nerve-wracking. I mean, I think I need this card. No, I've done the math. All right, here we go. All right, here we go, guys. I hit submit. I have a feeling I'm going to be in pop-up jail. I have a huge feeling. I hope this is all recording correctly. I think it is. I'm in that incognito browser in Safari. Oh man, I hope this works out, dude. Oh god, they need information. Okay, so they need more. Did I mess up my address? Okay, interesting. Okay, they need more information from me. I don't think I messed my address up, but I've moved a little bit in the last little bit. So, okay, what do they need here? They need a cable, cell phone, credit card. I'm gonna get that really quick, okay? Just sit tight, okay? Let me do that. Okay, we're back. I have attached the file. It was my Marriott Bonvoy Boundless November credit card statement is what I used. We're gonna hit submit and see what happens. Oh God, hopefully I don't get denied. Oh God. Okay. I think they're on to me. I think they're on to me right now. Okay. Well, looks like they can't give me a decision right now. That's kind of unfortunate. We're going to have to see what happens. You know, I might be in a battle with American Express. Yes, I just have one quick question. What is the intro offer for the membership rewards points on this?
Well, the Platinum card can earn 150,000 membership rewards points after $8,000 or more, and eligible purchases are made on the card within the first 6 months of the card membership. I have a good news for you, sir. The application for your Platinum card is actually approved, and the only thing that's pending for you right now, congratulations, once again, you are approved, all set. You simply need to wait for the physical card that we will send to you with an expedited shipping with a rush delivery, sir.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Holy crap, guys. I just got approved for the 150K offer on the Amex Platinum. I did not see that coming. Thought I was going to get pop-up jail low-key, but honestly, I'm pretty excited. Holy frick, dude. I'm so excited, dang it. Oh my God. I don't even know what to do right now.